Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we are going to be making 3 different salads. Spring is on its way and there is nothing better to eat nice, light, refreshing salads. So we're going to jump right in. The 3 salads we're going to be making a tomato and artichoke salad with a lemon dressing. We're going to be making a tomato, cucumber, feta, and mint salad, which is a play on a classic Greek salad. And we're going to be making a cucumber salad. It's a little sweet, but really, really good. So we'll jump right in. First thing we're going to make is our tomato and artichoke salad. I have 1.5 10-ounce containers of heirloom tomatoes. I have 2 14-ounce cans of artichoke hearts, which we're going to talk about in a minute. I have 1 green pepper sliced. I have a little bit of about a tablespoon of chopped parsley, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and a lemon that I'm going to be juicing, and a little bit of olive oil. So let's talk about our artichoke hearts. These are canned artichoke hearts, which are very easy to work with. The only thing is at the very, very bottom, sometimes when you feel them, they're a little bit on the woody side, like they feel hard. So you do have to cut that off. Make sure you cut that off because it is, like I said, if you feel it it's really soft, then you can use it. And then these are just quartered. So very, very simple. So we're going to add our artichokes to the bowl. Artichokes have a lot of liquid in them, so try to drain the liquid out. Get rid of that. We're going to add our tomatoes. We're going to add our chopped green peppers. Add our parsley. Add our seasoning. A little bit of olive oil, probably just like a teaspoon. I don't like salads oily at all. A little bit is good. Plenty. And we'll juice the lemon. Hopefully not make too much of a mess like I always do. This is a really, really delicious salad. I find that a lot of people love artichoke hearts, and so this salad always goes over really well. It's a very pretty salad. Put our juice on the side. Give it a really nice toss. I'm going to put this in a bowl and I'll show you what it looks like. I'll see you in a couple minutes. So I put our tomato and our artichoke salad in a bowl, and now I'm just going to take a taste. It's a really nice, light, refreshing salad. You'll love this. Really, really, really good. And we're going to go into our next salad in a minute. The next salad we're going to be making is a cucumber salad, which is also one of my favorites. Very easy to make. I am using what they call a seedless cucumber. It's also known as a European cucumber, also known as a hothouse cucumber. If you don't have this, you can use a regular cucumber, of course. The reason why I like this is the seeds are very, very small. I also have just a half a white onion sliced very thin. I have some vinegar, some sugar, some olive oil. I've already sliced up 1 cucumber, and I forgot the seasoning, so let me get that. I'll be back in a second. So we're back. I got my seasoning. I have some salt, some granulated garlic, and some pepper, half a teaspoon of each. So what we're going to do with the cucumber, we're just going to slice it. About a 1/4 inch thick, a little less than 1/4 inch thick. So we're going to take our cucumber, we're going to add it to this. We're going to take our onions. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to tell you sweet red pepper. This is not fire roasted red pepper. It's sweet red pepper and vinegar, okay? And the reason why I'm using this as opposed to fire roasted, comes out of a jar. but the fire roasted is generally cooked a little bit more, or is it actually cooked? And what happens is if you use fire roasted in here, it kind of falls apart and doesn't look very nice. So I use the red pepper and vinegar. You can use fresh. I've always used this and it just looks and works very well with this. So sorry, I forgot to add that before. We're gonna add our seasoning mix. Actually, I'm gonna pour that in the vinegar. I'm gonna pour sugar in here. We give it a little bit of a mix. Now, this salad actually has to marinate for about at least 6 hours, if not overnight. So this is something that you want to do in advance. I know there's a lot of dressing. At the end, we're going to drain the dressing out. So as a caterer, I always tell you what can be made in advance. This is something that can be made 2 days in advance. You marinate it and it's fine for, like I said, it takes at least 6 hours before it's ready to eat, but you can make it 2 days in advance and it's fine. The tomato and artichoke salad that we just made, you can prepare everything in advance and just dress it last minute. That's meant to be, you dress it and you eat it immediately, just so you know. With the Greek salad, also, it's something that can be prepared a day in advance, easy, but you dress it last minute. So with the cucumber salad, we're just going to give it a really nice toss. And then what we want to do is we want to push it all into the dressing and just let it sit for, like I said, about 6 hours in the refrigerator, of course. You don't want to let it sit out. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and I'll show you what it looks like in about 6 hours from now. See you shortly. Actually, I'll see you in about a minute when we start with the next salad. So our third salad, as I said, is going to be a tomato, cucumber, feta, and mint salad. Kind of a classic play on Greek salad. And so let's jump right in. We'll talk about our ingredients. I have 1 European cucumber. I have 1.5 hothouse tomatoes. I'm sorry, 1.5 containers of hothouse tomatoes. I have a half an onion sliced very thin, a 2 spoons of fresh garlic, minced very, very small. I have a half a bunch of mint, something called a chiffonade or sliced in English. I have about 1.5 cups of feta cheese. I have a cup of Kalamata olives that I've seeded. I have a whole lemon. I have a half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. So with the cucumber, we're just gonna slice it in half lengthwise. We're gonna slice this in half. And slice this one in half, basically quarters. And then we're just gonna do bite-sized pieces. Add this to our mixing bowl. Gonna add our tomatoes. Add our onions and garlic. Add our mint. The mint gives it a really nice, refreshing flavor. We're gonna add our olives. We're gonna add our salt and pepper. Something I didn't say, you need about a teaspoon of olive oil. Oops, just a little bit. The one thing that we're not going to put in here is the feta cheese. If you put the feta cheese in, it just breaks apart and the salad doesn't look so nice. Let me get some gloves. We got our gloves on. We're now ready for surgery, or mixing the salad. We're going to squeeze our lemon juice in. Now we're going to give a really nice toss. Has really beautiful colors, which I like. And the lemon juice gives it a really nice, fresh flavor. So like for a nice spring day, this is like an absolute great salad. And tastes good too. All right, I'm gonna put this in a bowl or a plate and I'll show you what it looks like. See you in a few. So before I put it in a bowl, I always taste everything I make just as out of habit. It actually needed more lemon, so I actually took another lemon and squeezed the juice of 1 more lemon in here. So I always put the ingredients in the description down below. So if you see 2 lemons, it's because I added another lemon. Now we're gonna just take our feta cheese. You can sprinkle it on top. I generally do some type of design. Sometimes I do lines across. Maybe today we'll do some lines. Just looks a little nicer. If you want to just sprinkle it, you can. It's fine. Doesn't make too much of a difference. here. And a little bit over here. That way you can actually still see the salad too. But it's a nice, refreshing salad. Really, really, really delicious. And I'm just gonna try it with the feta cheese. I love feta cheese, really good. Get a cucumber in here too. Cheers. Really, really, really good. Our cucumber salad was sitting in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours. You notice there's a lot of liquid in it. There's both the marinade and also juice will come out of the cucumbers as it marinates. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strain this. And once I strain, I'm gonna put it in a bowl and I'll show you what it looks like. So all 3 of our salads are done. You can see what they look like. Actually really colorful and pretty and tastes delicious. I'm just gonna try some of the cucumber. I tried some of the other ones before, they were delicious. I love cucumber salad. It's a very, very nice, refreshing salad. There's a very nice punch to it. The sugar and vinegar balance is perfect with this. It just tastes really good. It's a really nice salad. I want to eat the rest, but I'll wait till I'm done with the video. Anyway, if you've liked this video, please like, subscribe, share it with your friends, of course. Leave your comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Be well, everyone.